Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you what you need to do when the CapCut template not showing in your CapCut app. So I've read in the comment that many of you don't have the templates button on the CapCut apps. So like me, the template button is at the bottom of the apps here, and then here in the template you can use freely the templates that other users have made, and you can just click on the templates and use them freely. So if you can't find it, so actually it's pretty easy. You can just use a VPN in your phone, or you can also change the region. So you can go to the settings of your phone, and then here find the region settings. So the template button not showing in your CapCut apps, probably because your region doesn't support CapCut. So here my region is Indonesia. Maybe you can try changing it into Indonesia or other country that is allow CapCut to show the templates. Or if you still can't find the template, you can actually find the template on TikTok. So here you can if you have a TikTok account, you can find in your TikTok, oops, sorry. Okay, so here you can just find what's a trend now. For example, I want to find the slow motion CapCut. Here you can just find the video that has a CapCut template in it. So you can see in the at the top of username in TikTok, you can see there's an option to CapCut try this template. So you can just click on the button, and then here you can click on use template in CapCut, and then you will be directed to CapCut, and just click on use template and add your own photos or video. But if you still can't find the template, you can actually find it on your browser. Just go to Google Chrome and then find it here. So oops, I'm going to just go to Google, or you can just type in a CapCut template trending, for example. So you can see there are so many webs that you can click on. So here is one of them, CapCut.net, and in here you can see there are so many templates. For example, I want to use this one. Just click on that, and then this button will appear again. Okay, so that's a few options if you can't find the template in your CapCut. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click thanks, leave a comment, like this video, and subscribe to our channel. See you at the next videos. Bye.